Maybe you should. Then you'd see that they eat rubbish.
Oh, delightful. Max, well, this? If I hear the word... Oh, sorry. This conversation never took place. And I was never here. Sorry.
Well, it is now.
到了他应得的奖赏——传说中的宝藏。
Maybe a little.
Yum!
잘 먹었다. 잘 먹었다. I can chug faster than you. I win! In your face, Milkin!
And thirsty.
Excuse me.
I think I messed up.
I toasted it for you.
My friend.
You? Okay.
Wow.
Now drink up. Not too bad, right?
Ooh, scary. I'm drunk.
Yeah, those were for you. Excuse you, honey.
Everything I've ever wanted. Sorry, what were you saying?
I'm embarrassing myself. I'll then walk back home holding it.
That slaps.
New girl is spicing this party up.
Woo! Yeah! Good stuff!
Oh, that was great.
Oh!
House and home